Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this 2016 Chevrolet 2500. This particular 2500 is the high country trim level powered by the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine, mated up to the famous Allison transmission. Coming onto the front end here, you're going to see all that chrome grille, blacked out Chevy badges there, of course body colored lower bumper fascia, all come with that high country trim level. You also have your high intensity headlamps as well as fog lights there in the lower part of the bumper. Coming around to the side, you're going to see a really good looking 20-inch chrome rim wrapped up with a Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. Of course, these are the load range E10 ply tires. You see your high country badging, another chrome accent there, and the 5-inch factory board. It does have a power folding tow mirror there. You got your marker lights on the outside. Coming onto the inside here, you got the turn signals in the inside as well as this trailer blind spot section of the mirror here. Continue to the back, this is the 6.5 foot bed. It's going to be pretty much the standard bed offering on the 2500. You can also get an 8. Of course, that creates a pretty gigantic truck, so this is usually the preferred bed length. Plenty of space in there, as you would expect. 4 standard tie downs, 1 in each corner. Back here you have your matching blacked out Chevy badge, your high country badging, Silverado badging, and of course the 2.5-inch larger hitch receiver down below with 4 and 7-pin wiring. Of course, that 7-pin wiring does lead to an integrated trailer brake on the inside of the truck. Steps here in the bumper to help you get up in the bed. Matching Nitto tire there and 20-inch rim. Taking a quick look in the back seat and then we'll jump in the front. Tons of room back here. Of course, that saddle-colored high country leather with the light tan piping. Really a sharp-looking interior. And the matching brown WeatherTech mats the customer must have added aftermarket. Looking into the driver area here, you do have memory seats and mirrors. Got your power windows, locks, and mirrors down here. You can also see your power folding mirrors in addition to the child locks and child window lockouts. Bose stereo throughout. Full 10-way power adjustable driver seat with adjustable lumbar support. You also have your integrated trailer brake here, transfer case controls, light controls. On this side, you're going to see your tilt and telescoping wheel there. Let's jump on in and fire it up. We do have 2 keys. The keys are equipped with remote start. Firing it up here, you're going to see just over 97,000 miles on it. So lots of life left in that Duramax engine. On the wheel, you're going to see your cruise control items as well as your heated steering wheel buttons and menu controls for that center area there, or center information screen. On this side, you're going to see your navigation. Of course, your backup camera is also going to be located there. Down below that, dual zone automatic climate control for the driver and the passenger, as well as both heated and ventilated seats. Down here, you're going to see your adjustable foot pedals, traction control, cargo lamps, a button to turn off the proximity sensors, your lane keep, and an exhaust brake. I think Ram was actually the first one to come to, no, maybe Ford was the first one to come to market with the exhaust braking. It's really going to help you when you're going down hills with this truck. It applies it in roughly the same way that a big diesel does, like a tractor trailer. It's going to help you lessen the wear and tear on both your truck and trailer brakes. Lots of storage. Of course, you have the one locking compartment up here and one that doesn't lock down here. Got your owner's manuals down here as well as the results of the multi-point inspection on the truck. In addition to the obvious things like a fresh oil change and a Pennsylvania state inspection, we also looked it over and the tires appear to be 12/30 seconds in the front, 7/30 seconds in the rear, so lots of life left in those tires. And the front pads are 15 and the rear pads are 13. So I would say that we replaced, actually I know we did, we replaced the brakes and rotors on this truck both. So brand new brakes the whole way around. Pretty expensive job, be more than $1,000 for you to do it yourself. So that is already done for you. Take a quick look at the Carfax here. No accidents or damage reported to Carfax. It has had 2 previous owners and it was last owned in the state of Pennsylvania. Prior to that, it was owned in Ohio and Delaware. Turn it off here. The last part of the video I want to show you is any dents, dings, or imperfections on the truck. It does have some marks up here in the front end that I'll show you. A couple chips, a couple hard water spots. You can see those coming across this hood here. And there's a couple hard water spots there as well. This lower part of the bumper looks to be in pretty good condition. I would say that they had this repainted because typically these bumpers chip up too. It does have a few chips on it as well though. Coming around to the side, that wheel looks to be in excellent condition. Really didn't see much to point out coming back through here. You do have some scratch marks there on your step boards. A couple chips right here in front of the wheel. Wheel also looks to be in good condition there. A couple small marks right there. Coming around to the back, everything looks to be in pretty good order back here. One touch-up spot right there. Inside of the bed, a little dirty in there. There was some metal that detail had a hard time, not metal, but something metal must have been sitting there. Detail had a hard time, couldn't get those spots to come out of that spray and bed liner. But overall, it's not banged up or really anything. It does have some staining, but no large dents really that I can see. Coming up this side, overall, same story as the other side. Overall, good shape. Don't really see much to point out on this side of the vehicle. Overall, really in great shape. If you're looking for a high country truck with a Duramax diesel and all the features you can really hang on a truck, this is a great option for you. Stop out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online at allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call, 717-485-4224. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.